In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank to Freeagent. Whether you're just starting out with Freeagent or looking to streamline your financial tracking, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. We'll start by navigating to the needed section in the Freeagent dashboard. First, go ahead and open your Freeagent account, and once you're logged in, you'll see several options at the top of your dashboard. Focus on the one labeled Banking. Click on the Banking tab, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Bank Accounts. This section is where you manage and organize all your financial accounts within Freeagent. Now, with the Bank Accounts page open, locate the Add New Account button. It's typically found in the top right corner of the screen. By clicking this button, you're starting the process of adding a new account to your Freeagent platform. Next, you'll be prompted to select the type of account you wish to add. You'll notice you have a few different options, such as bank account, credit card account, or PayPal account. Choose the one that best fits the type of account you're planning to integrate. This selection helps Freeagent tailor its features to better suit your specific needs. After selecting the account type, it's time to input some key details about the account. You'll need to provide a descriptive name for the account. Think about a name that makes it easily identifiable, especially if you have multiple accounts linked. Next, ensure you select the correct currency for the account. This is crucial for accurate financial reporting. If the account you're adding is a personal account, as opposed to a business one, check the box indicating this. In addition, there are optional details you can provide, such as the bank name, account number, and sort code. Keep in mind that if you're adding an account that can't be connected to a bank feed, you can skip these optional fields. An important detail is the opening balance. You'll need to enter the balance as it was on your Freeagent start date. If you're unsure or haven't calculated the starting balance yet, you can enter 0 for now and adjust it later. Once you've filled out all necessary details, complete the process by clicking on Create New Account. This action saves your information and adds the account to your Freeagent dashboard. And there you have it. You've successfully added a bank account to Freeagent, allowing you to track your transactions and manage your finances all in one place. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial data in Freeagent is accurate and up to date, aiding in better financial decision-making. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.